Hi, I'm Bob Powell, editor of FinStream.tv, and I want to share an important new development at FinStream.tv. Over the past several months, we have been building a growing suite of web-based tools designed to help you put financial knowledge into action. These applications are meant to complement the more than 900 financial literacy videos already on our platform. Think of them as practical tools for real-world decisions, funding a child's education, saving and investing for retirement, or making sure the basics of financial planning are in order: taxes, insurance, employee benefits, and estate planning. This is just the beginning, by the way. Our goal is to give individuals clear, usable tools that help them move from information to implementation, regardless of where they are in their financial journey. And for financial advisors, we're building tools you can use directly with clients to support better conversations and better outcomes. We also want to hear from you. Tell us what questions you're trying to answer or what tools you wish existed. Suggest a video or an application you would like us to build to help you strengthen your financial plan. Use the contact form below on this page to send us your suggestions.